Good morning, everyone. Name of college SAS Institute of Management in Studies. My name is Aniket Gautam Gaikwad and my topic name income measurement and my subject name financial account. Semester name is first sem and this is my roll number. Decoding dollars, the art and science of income measurement. First of all, introduction to income measurement. Welcome to Decoding Dollars. In this presentation, we will explore the art and science of income measurement. Understanding income is circular for making informed financial decisions and driving economic growth. Let's embark on this creative journey together. Next slide is the basic of income. Income is more than just money earned. It encompasses various sources such as salary, investment, and business profits. Understanding these components helps use grasp and the bigger picture of financial health and economic stability. Let's dive deeper into what constitutes income. Next slide is uh, quantitative versus qualitative measure. Income measurement can be both quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative measures focus on number and statistics. Qualitative aspect consider professional satisfaction and lifestyle. Balancing this perspective is essential for a holistic understanding of financial success. Next slide is challenging in income measurement. Measuring income come with its own set of challenges factor like inflations, taxations, and economic fluctuations can distort income perception. Recognize these challenges is vital for accord assessment and informed decision making in personal and business finance. Next slide, creative approaches to measurement. Innovative methods such as data visualization and storytelling can enhance our understanding of income measurement. By presenting data creatively, we can uncover insights that traditional method might overlook, making financial data more accessible and engaging. Next slide is conclusion, the feature of income measurement. In conclusion, mastering art and science of income measurement is essential for navigating today's complex financial landscape. As we embrace the new technologies and methodologies, our our understanding will evolve, leading to better financial decision and outcome. Thank you for joining this creative explorations. Thanks.